Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to delete your Instagram account. So let's get started. First, open your Instagram apps. Then tap on three-line menu. Then tap on Account Center. Scroll down, tap on Personal Details. Then tap on Account Ownership and Control. Then tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Now select your Instagram account. Now select Delete Account. Then tap on Continue. Then tap on Continue. Now select any option and tap on Continue. Then tap on again Continue. Scroll down, then tap on Continue. Now enter your account password here. Then tap on Continue. Now click on Delete Account to delete your Instagram account. By doing this process, you can delete your Instagram account. Thank you.